Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Afro Italian Food Education. So today we are going to have a recipe called the Italian puff, but in Italy they call it Zeppole. It's a very simple recipe. Yeah, let's get started. This is ingredients: 600 grams of flour tipo zero, that is type 0. Then warm water 600 ml. 25 grams of fresh yeast and 15 grams of salt. Oil for frying. So you start by mixing the yeast, the fresh yeast. Make sure you join it very well, mix it very well, melt it very well with the warm water. So this is the flour and the salt you mix together. It's a very simple recipe, but Italians so much love it. You have it in the street. You'll see it also in the open market. So children so much love it. It's very easy to handle. Yeah, it's not our Nigerian puff because there is no sugar here. It's only salt. Yeah. So you start by turning it very well, turn it very well. Yeah. Be adding the water little by little, because if you add all of them together you have a lot of lumps, so at the end it will not be smooth. So you join them together, just a little bit of work. Make sure you join it very well. You know, if you're living in Italy, we have the flour we call tipo 00, doppio zero, that is double zero. Then we have the tipo zero. So the tipo zero is a very much well on this recipe. It's very good. It's very good. If you use tipo 00, it might not give you, the result very well. So this is the work. Make sure you deal with all the lumps. Yeah, it's getting well now. It's getting well. Keep on adding the water until you get liquid form. Yeah. It's very good when you make it liquid. Okay, let's keep on turning it. Yeah, this is the texture I'm looking for. This is the texture I'm looking for. Yeah. So I'm done with it. So you cover it and let it rest for 1 hour. Yeah, allow it to rest for 1 hour. You will see the results after the 1 hour. Yeah, you can put it in a very warm place. Close please. This is good time. Okay, this is after 1 hour. You see, look at it. Yeah, this is how it's going to be. Yeah. It's not like this is not going to be the result, the real result of Zeppole. Okay, let's get to the frying stage. Use any oil of your type. This is oil semi. That water You put it aside. The spoon you're going to use to scoop it, you dip it inside as you're frying so that it will be easy. So you see how it's dropping? This is how it's going to be. Yeah. To give you the real result of Zeppole. Italian puff puff. That is the name I gave it. Italian puff puff. We have a Nigerian puff puff. This is Italian puff puff. Remember, there is no sugar. Yeah. If you're coming to Italy, you ask them of Zeppole, they will give you this. Yeah. They will give you this. It's frying. It's frying. Remember, lower the heat. Lower the heat as you're frying. So that it will get done from inside. Okay. Turn it. Turn it carefully. Most of us that are doing a puff puff, Nigerian puff puff, there is nothing different. It's only that this one, you don't need sugar or other ingredients. No, it's only this: salt, water, yeast. Children love this very well. Yeah, they love it so much. So this is the final result. I bet you it's very sweet. The sprinkled salt, this is choice, but Italians, they can't do without spreading salt on top of it. So this is how it looks like. Wow, wow, wow. I need to eat some. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Remember, blessed. Remember to subscribe. Yeah, and like